Hey guys, welcome back to another video on our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to mount your tour pack on the wall and save a few bucks doing it. So guys, a lot of times when I'm working on the bike, I'm out here and I want to take the tour pack off, and I always have to set the thing in the floor. We've got some rugs and stuff kind of laid around in the garage to put parts on and some blankets, but I thought it'd be cool to just go ahead and mount it to the wall, get it out of the way. And I'm going to try and come up with something for the saddlebags here in the future. I've seen the little homemade racks and stuff that everybody's making, but it's still on the ground. You still have to walk around it, and if you got wall space, I think this is the better option. Now you can get online and you can find these wall mount racks for your tour packs, and they're about $100, and it makes your tour pack literally stick out of the wall. It mounts on the rack just like it does on your bike, and the whole thing sticks out of the wall. And that's cool if you can put it up high and just kind of get it out of the way. If it's kind of pain in the butt to get it up high, they do have a little bit of heft to them, a little bit of weight. So I did a little searching online, guys, and this isn't anything groundbreaking. I didn't come up with this. I don't claim to have came up with this idea, but there's about 5 different ways to do it. And I, of course, wanted to find the cheapest way, but also make it secure too, so I don't have to worry about it falling off when I go in the house. So I picked up all these parts at our local Menards. Now, if you don't have a Menards around you guys, the Home Depot or Lowe's has this stuff too. I think it was right around 14 or 15 bucks to build this whole thing. So basically, I just bought 2 pieces of this angle iron that has the holes in it, guys. I can get it up there on camera so you can see it. I think these were the most expensive part of it. It was just, I think, around 5 or 6 bucks, and you're going to need 2 of these. Now I have all this stuff in the description down below that'll tell you the sizes and stuff that I went with. This is just a 3/8 bolt. It's around 2 inches long. But guys, basically I just put the bolt through. I just measured, put the bolt through. I put a spring lock washer on there and a nut, and then the bolt sticks out, and that's what your tour pack is going to actually attach to. Then I just followed it up on the end with some nylon nuts. You don't have to put those on there, guys. It just gave me a little bit of added security that it's not going to go this way. So yeah, it's not necessary once I got it built. Another thing too I want to mention is doing the bolt like this. If you have standard 16-inch wall studs like I have, this isn't going to work if you want to put both of these in a wall stud. I think what I'm going to do is buy the 24-inch threaded bolt stock, and that way I can move this all the way out to the 16-inch mark and have both of these in a wall stud. Now, as you can see, guys, I already have one of these installed on the wall. Here's my my wall stud. My 16-inch wall stud is over here, and I first mounted this over here thinking these were going to be long enough, and they just simply were not. So as you can see, when I mount it like this, one in a wall stud, one's not in a wall stud to make this the right distance. But if you get the 24-inch threaded bolt stock, like I was saying, it's going to cost a little bit more, but you'll be able to put both of these into a wall stud. Now, I have some pretty big lag bolts in here, so I'm not worried about that coming out. So I'll go ahead and get this mounted, and then we'll stick the tour pack on it, and you can see what we did. Instead of sticking out of the wall like this on your $100 wall mounts, it's going to lay just like this. It's going to hook in here, drop down, and lock onto the bottom. Well, as you can see, I got it on the wall, guys. It just slips in and locks on just like it does on your 4-point docking system, and it works fine. It sticks, lays down instead of sticking out, and saved you a ton of money. Like I said, guys, I'll have all the information for the bolts and the lock nut washers and all that stuff down in the description, so just read down there. You may have to click on show more, and it'll give you the full description of the video, and you can see everything down there that I used, and where you can get it and how much it costs. But hey, guys, like I said, we've been taking a break. I got out here in the garage today to get this up, and wanted to show it to you guys, but stay tuned because we have some more parts coming in. We're going to be installing on the 2014 Street Glide. If you haven't already, guys, please consider hitting that like and subscribe. It lets you know when we have a new video that comes online, and it helps us keep this channel alive. Every time we do an upgrade to the Street Glide, or we do something to one of our buddies' bikes, we try to get it on video so you can see how to do it, or see if you want that part on your bike. Me and my family appreciate the heck out of all you guys, and stay tuned for new videos. But until the next video, as always, be safe and keep your knees in the breeze.